Have you ever placed an order on Amazon and then realized you need to change the shipping address? No worries. Today I'll show you how to update your address even after placing your order. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by opening the Amazon website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, go to your orders. You can find this by tapping on the cart icon on the app or by navigating to the accounts and list drop down on the website and selecting your orders. Find the order for which you want to change the shipping address. Here you can find your shipping address and your order details. As you can see here, I have change address. You can simply change the address. You can enter the new shipping address and confirm your status. You have to first check the status of your order. If it's still in the not yet shipped or pending status, you should be able to change the address. Look for the change option next to the shipping address and select it. If the change option is not available, it might mean that your order is already in the ship status or too close to delivery. In this case, you won't be able to update the address directly. In this situation, you have a couple of options. You can contact Amazon support customer service for assistance. To do this, you can go to the help section and choose contact us, and you can then chat with a representative or request a callback. And that's how you can handle changing your address on Amazon after placing an order. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.